So, you guys be live on the sound of the tone in less than 5.
Got the old man B-main going on right now. Up next will be two-wheel drive buggy, but before then we'll do a brief track maintenance. It will be a blow and an edge watering. So two-wheel buggy, you'll have a nice clean track, which I hope you'll appreciate because, you know, two-wheel buggy is the struggle. But that's why we love it, because it's difficult. Anyway, Gordon Miller off to a good start, and this one started first and is staying first. Turbo going to move up to the 2 spot. Tim VAUSE up to 3. Brad Thomas going to drop to 4. Then it is KORICK, Duffy. And then I lose the plot. But Gordon right now doing exactly what he needs to do. Oh, after the step off, got one upside down after the step off. Oh, Pierce is a brave man. Look at the footwork. Oh, behind you. And that's all clear. Good job, Pierce. Your leader going down the back straight in the baby blue and yellow wheels. Turbo in the 2 spot. That yellow, blue, and silver hot bodies. Gordon leading in the old Associated. He doesn't need these new cars. 3rd place, Brad Thomas there. Trying to close the gap on Turbo. Mike up to 4th. Now Duffy going to move to 5th, then P-Word. Then Tim going to get by P-Word coming to the line. P-Word spins himself out. Mike gets himself upside down. That'll let Duffy close on in. .330 down, 2:30 to go. Turbo right now closing in on Gordon. Both of them into the 45s for hot lap, as is Brad, and as is Dennis. Turbo going to drop a 44.8, new hot lap of the race. He continues to close in on Gordon, now within a second. He'd like to get by Gordon, that way he's not the one on the bubble. 2 minutes left to go, and your top 2 are pulling away a little bit from Brad Thomas. Duffy hanging on to that 4 spot. Mike putting some pressure on him. Ooh, big save in the back from Duffy. Mike tries to go over the top, but there's a wall over there.
They're coming for you, Draper.
Oh, somebody exiting the track. Well, that was Paul. Jay going to toss him back out. And the wreck keeps going. Now it's all cleared up. So Turbo going to get by Gordon on this lap for the lead of it, which a couple laps ago would not have been a big deal, but now Brad Thomas is close. Gordon having a long lap on that one. 39 seconds left to go here. It's going to be pretty close for if these leaders get another lap or not. If they have a good one here, they'll get another, and if it's not a great lap, then they will be racing the line. We've got 25 seconds left to go, and your leaders are heading up the back straight. Turbo, Gordon, and Brad. Turbo and Gordon right now in control of their own destiny. Does not look like Brad is going to be able to get to the line, so really Turbo and Gordon just need to get there. 5 seconds left to go. And that is the tone. Turbo, you are done. Gordon, you are done. Turbo and Gordon going to be taking those bump spots, and we are racing to the line, drivers. We're racing to the line. Looks like we have a battle coming up the back straight there. That would be for 7, 8, and 9, I believe. Or 8, 9, and 10. P-word Kevin and Randy battling onto the step on, step off. Coming down the stairs, Randy's going to spin her around. Can Kevin get to P-word? Not quite. So we're just finishing up here. We're just finishing up. Couple cars still coming to the line. Looks like Dennis maybe going to make a spot on the last lap. Rob Schaefer back to the inside, and Rob's going to take away 11.
All drivers are finished.
Hang on to it there.
The race is completed.
That is a race. Turbo and Gordon, you're going to be moving on to the 40 plus A main race 31.